Is it worth doing what I'm doing?
Oh, maybe I'm saved.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that problem.
I am so unqualified. Wow, this is the worst thing I've ever made. This is the worst thing I've ever made.
In today's video, me and Dustin Does 3D will finally be doing another challenge with each other. This time, however, our prompt is surrealism, that's all, and we will have 1 hour to work on our own render, and then after that hour mark, we will have to switch Blender files and work on the other person's and color grade the other person's original idea. We're allowed to use any free assets from Sketchfab or assets from other projects. So let's just get straight into the video. Make sure you watch all of it, because this one was a really fun one. I love making these ones with Dustin. Make sure you check out his channel and his video on this. But yeah, let's get straight into it.
And we only have an hour. Really, there's 2 hours if I trust you enough to carry on with my idea.
Oh yeah.
Or to, you know,
EJ3D.
make your own. I mean, you're the famous EJ3D, of course. So I guess I shouldn't be too worried about what I make. No, I mean, even if it's really crap, I mean, that's also the challenge. Whatever you get handed, turn around and make it something, you know?
Yeah, and if it's not good, then I suck. If you hand me something crap and I can't make it good.
I'm gonna hand you a cube that I will have made in 1 hour, and you're gonna have to fix it.
Dude, Ethan, your render sucks, bro.
Ethan, really? A cube? That's what you made with 2 hours? You're such a bastard.
So at this point, I'm really just trying to come up with any idea. I'm just looking on Pinterest, trying to find anything that catches my eye. I'm looking up other surrealist art pieces. I was looking up Twin Peaks, because I've been watching it recently, and that's also really weird and surreal. I also really like the album cover art from Melancholy and the Infinite Sadness by the Smashing Pumpkins. So I'm kind of just collecting a little reference board on PureRef, and then just kind of looking at it and seeing what I can imagine in my head. Going into Blender, I didn't really have any concrete idea. I just kind of wanted to mess around with an angel in the clouds and see what I could do with that. Starting from 3, 2, 1. Dustin, we have an hour before we have to switch Blender files.
All right.
Hurry up. I haven't even opened up Blender, jeez. So I started off this challenge mainly by collecting assets. I needed to find a good angel, and then I was gonna grab some clouds from assets I bought a while ago. But yeah, I'm really just trying to find a good asset and just trying to put things together, because I realized that's what a big important part of this challenge is coming up with an idea and being able to execute it in time. So there's like quite a few challenges you got to work around, but once you've got a solid idea, you can just go hard at it. So that's what I was trying to do. So I had my angel, as you saw, I downloaded a star and falling like meteor kind of thing as well, because I was just trying to see what it looked like and if it looked any good. I also tried cutting out the angel from this like gravestone here, which I don't think was a very good idea and kind of a waste of time, but this first idea I kind of just messed around with, and I ended up going with something else anyways. Is it worth doing what I'm doing?
I have no idea. I am so unqualified.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that problem. You feeling good about where you're at, Dustin?
Nope. But I'm gonna...
But do we ever really feel good
This
anyways?
is what it is, yeah. I've never felt good about a project so soon. This is not what I wanted to do at all. This is so awful. This is so embarrassing. Wow, this is the worst thing I've ever made. Oh, maybe I'm saved. Maybe,
Shut up.
just maybe
Shut
I'm
up.
saved.
You're scaring me.
Oh, yes. Oh, I absolutely love when a FBX file imports with the textures. Whoever did that FBX file did it right.
Shout out to him.
Yeah, shout out, what's his name? Shout out to Smith on Sketchfab. What a great guy. Okay, thank God for Lensim. What a phenomenal add-on.
It makes things look so much better. You guys want to check out Lensim? There's a link in the description below. It's an affiliate link as well, so helps me out, and you get a great add-on, so it's worth it.
Why does that happen? It shouldn't even be possible.
Bro, we got 20 minutes. Oh,
crash out. I should have really been able to make this in 5 minutes. This is like, what I have is like 5 minutes worth of work. Oh, the symbolism, joy to this world. I've just thought of it.
Oh, I'm trying to come up with my own symbolism right now.
So as you just heard me say, for this last bit of the challenge, I really was just trying to figure out the symbolism and meaning behind this piece. I had a good base of the angel standing on the clouds in the sky, but, you know, I was trying to put money in there, an eyeball watching it, just trying to figure out to put some meaning behind it, because I feel like with a lot of surrealist pieces I've seen, there's always something that's deeper and makes you think about it. And eventually I ended up downloading an asset of a hand, so it was like reaching out of the sky, and there were these like puppet strings going down and holding the angel, just, you know, to add a bit of more in the scene and a bit of deeper meaning. At this point, I was actually pretty happy with how it turned out after an hour, because I wasn't sure at some points there if I was going to end up with something good. But yeah, I was happy with it, and I was looking forward to see what Dustin would do with it.
Okay, you know what? This is what it is.
The timer just, oh my god.
You're done, you're done, you're
The timer
done.
just scared me. Oh my god. That actually, I nearly jumped out of my seat. This is what it looks like before Dustin takes a hold of it.
And this is what it looks like before Ethan takes a hold of it. I'm scared.
Me and Dustin are about to open each other's Blender files and see what we have to work with for the next hour. So, you ready, Dustin?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Hey, dude!
Oh, dude!
I actually vibe with yours so much. Holy, that's sick.
I messed with yours too.
Bro, we both cooked, I'm not gonna lie. I love yours.
Yeah.
Damn, I don't even know how I'm gonna improve this.
Oh, I just realized something, dude.
What?
It's like puppet strings.
Yes! He got it! Yes! Yes. Good one, Dustin. Okay, now we have 1 hour with each other's Blender files. We're both pretty impressed, I think. And
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it. You, Dustin?
I'm ready.
Okay, well, good, because the timer has just started. We have
Okay.
1 hour, and then we will have to render it out and color grade it. Wait,
Trying to lag.
were you trying to say something with like the office job stuff floating around?
Am I?
Ah.
Oh, you're so smart. Oh. One of my friends calling me. Yo, what's up? No, I can't right now. Okay, I'll see you. Trying to hop on Fortnite, but I'm on the Blender grind.
Guys, Dustin's locking in this year, 2025. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. He's going to be putting so
Yeah.
many videos out. It's crazy.
Dustin does 3D.
Dude, didn't you say to me the other day, one video like a day or something?
Yeah, I may have said it, but it's not gonna happen.
So working on Dustin's was a bit different. I wasn't trying to come up with an idea. I was just trying to further his idea, make it a bit more concrete. So the first thing I noticed was this was clearly someone who maybe was in a business job or something and was trying to leave it. So the first thing I did was trying to clean up these assets and make it really obvious what the story behind this piece is.
Thank you, Blender Guru. So goated.
You know, shout out Blender Guru. If you don't know Andrew Price, like he's just like a small Blender channel.
Small little
He's
YouTuber,
just-
yeah.
it's-
Probably never heard of him.
Probably, if you've done Blender, I don't know if you've heard of him. Like, he might need the help.
Yeah, he does more like Maya stuff.
It's a bit. That's a bit too far. Okay, the joke was funny until then. I also added in this new businessman model, which I found for free. It's really good for this scene. The assets that I had in here at this point, I was finding it too cluttered, but I wasn't sure how to fix it. So I was trying to add more, just trying to figure out the composition really. I also added a spotlight to focus the light more on the character. Wait, what? Why does the pole have the door texture, bro? What the?
There's time constraints, Ethan.
So for the last bit of this render, I was really just trying to make it look as good as possible, moving things around, seeing where they could go. I changed the background, just playing around with different sky textures, different lighting, turning lights on and off, and really just trying to make it look as good as possible. Oh my god, the timer got me again, bro. What? Wait, can I have? I'm gonna have 30 more seconds.
No! No! That's fine, yeah, have it. Oh wait, you know what? There was an object, this doesn't count, because there was an object that was hidden in your viewport that's in my way. Oh, you know what? Hold on. I wish I had unhid this before because it would have been so much cooler.
Wow, you can unhide it and render with it. If I can add these clouds into my scene.
Sure.
Bet. Deal?
It's a deal.
You ready? 3,
It's a deal.
2, 1, shake. It's a deal. It's a deal. So we have finally finished our 2 hours. 1 hour working on ours, 1 hour working on each other's, and now we are rendering. So I'm looking forward to seeing what mine looks like and mine looks like. I guess they're both part of by both ours, I guess. but seeing what the combined result looks like, and then we'll get onto color grading, which is next. Okay, so it's a new day now. Me and Dustin couldn't finish it all and do the color grading last time, but we're back at it again because I'm looking forward to seeing how it looks color graded, and you are as well, right, Dustin?
Yep. We've had a week of suspense.
We've had yeah, I know, right? I
this
don't know
time
what it
and
looks
last time.
like. Yeah, it's been a week. Crazy, lots happened, but we're back to finish it off and get this video out and see what each other's looks like. We've got 15 minutes to do some color grading and maybe like actually make it look good in Photoshop and add some 2D elements. But yeah, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Timer is started.
Alright.
Okay. As always, the first thing I did is just chuck it into a camera raw filter, add some contrast, some grain, some saturation, really just see what it looks like with some color correction because it just makes everything look better. Okay guys, there's 1 minute and 20 seconds left on the timer, but me and Dustin have both realized that I think we need another 10 minutes to really actually get it to where we want to go and to actually make it look cool. So I'll restart the timer over, start it from 10 minutes. Okay. 10 minutes from now. The extra 10 minutes in Photoshop, I tried a bunch of different ideas, but I ended up just adding that text in the top. And I also cut out the computer, keyboard, and mouse, overlaid a paper texture, desaturated them. But yeah, just kind of added a bit more meaning and showed the office life that he came from was maybe a bit black and white.
Alright, I think we're done.
Yeah, we're done. God, the timer gets me every freaking time.
Oh, hold on, I'm cheating right now. I'm cheating. My hands are.
Okay,
I'm off.
done,
I'm
done,
away.
I'm
I'm
done.
done.
I just turned down the fill. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Wow.
Whoa.
Holy crap, dude.
You went like super surreal. I actually kind of like it because this looks like an album cover. Like, wow, that's really cool. The cables, no, this, you fit the surrealist vibe more, definitely.
Okay, good. I was
love
worried.
It. The surrealist, it goes hard, bro. It goes hard. Okay, so what do you think of mine?
I really like these textures things. Like, did you add? Are these fully 2D or are they 3D?
No, those are 3D. I just cut them out of the thing and added a paper texture. on
Okay.
top.
Yeah, I like that, and I like how the paper kind of looks like the rocks, kind of funky.
Yeah.
And I like this guy that's entering the door, entering the exit.
Yeah.
I like that. And then I kind of like, I don't know, I just messed with the colors.
Yeah. Okay, bet.
And a business suit guy, that's exactly. I wanted to put a business guy like
Yeah.
beforehand.
I knew this guy was perfect.
Yeah.
for it. Yeah. Wow. The sky's red now. You changed
Well, okay,
the sky to red.
let me explain my like thought process. I was
Yeah,
doing
yeah,
like
yeah.
good versus evil.
Yeah.
Like the black hand is evil,
Oh,
and then
yeah,
the,
yeah, white from the heavens. Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Yeah, and then so the chains, and then also then the heavenly, like the golden threads.
Yeah,
Right?
wow. The symbolism.
So
But why the red? The red's like
Yeah.
we're in hell or something?
the red was just because the background was like looking bad, so
Yeah,
I, just,
okay.
I needed something
Honestly,
desperately.
That's why I went to this
Yeah.
background that I used, because I was like, but I think I could have done
Yeah.
better even. Like maybe even just white or something. But no, my thinking behind it was like, what I got from you was this guy is a business guy and he's wondering whether he should leave his job. So
I actually like that idea. So originally I was going for, okay, this guy worked himself to death. He was a workaholic. But I do like this guy. You've changed that instead of like working yourself to death, right?
yeah, it was
You've
like
kind of saying like the opportunity. Like, should I take this new opportunity? Should I take the
Yeah.
risk?
So, honestly, I think we both kind of cooked. I like how we both did different things. Honestly, you going hard with the colors actually looks really cool. And so, yeah, let us know in the comments below which one you like more. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out Dustin's channel. And check out Trash, my add-on, LensSim. We both use that add-on in our renders. Yeah, see you in the next one. And keep going with Blender. You got this.
Yep.